Well, PatternCAD is a feature that is found in the Pro tier of QuiltMagine. It is an extremely powerful part of the program, and at first it's kind of intimidating. It intimidated me for a long time when I looked at it. I'm going like, I have no idea what to do with this. Finally, I started playing with it and realized the potential that is available in PatternCAD. So what it is, it's a place where you can go. You can edit patterns. So you can take in an existing pattern, you can edit it to become something that you want to see rather than exactly what the pattern is. You can draw your own, you can design. And to put these things together, you can take two patterns and compile them and kind of marry them together so that they stitch as one. There's just many things that you can do in PatternCAD. So the Friday morning class is an introduction to some of the features and some of the things that you can do with PatternCAD. There's no way, even in a full day class, that we could even cover all of the things that you can do in PatternCAD. But we're going to start with the simple, the easy things, and we're going to do some exercises during the mornings where you actually practice on your tablet using some of the functions that are found in PatternCAD, like drawing is one of the ones that we'll be using. We're going to be doing an exercise where you're going to split a pattern if you only need to use half of the pattern. How do you do that? So some things that are very useful. These are going to be features that you're going to use, but for useful things. I had an opportunity just recently on a quilt that I was working on, and I'm looking at the pattern going like, no, this is not going to work in the space that I want it. So I said, what can I do? So I took it into PatternCAD and I worked with it and made it into what I actually needed it to be. So once you learn how to use PatternCAD, there's lots of things you can do with it. So if you already have Pro tier, PatternCAD is on your screen. You may have looked at it and go like, I have no idea. Well, this is a class to find out how to use PatternCAD. If you don't have the Pro tier, that's not a problem. If you want to learn some of the things about it, you come to the class anyway, bring your tablets, and we just put that tablet into demo mode and you're able to use the features in there to see what it's like. So this class will explore the possibilities of PatternCAD using a few exercises so that you go away and with a better understanding of just what you can do with the features that are in PatternCAD.